Hey, what's up everybody? Ben here from blogwithben.com, and today I'm excited to dive into the HINOMI X1 ergonomic office chair. As you can see, my old office chair was in desperate need of an upgrade, so when HINOMI asked me to test out their X1 ergonomic office chair, I couldn't say yes fast enough. And now whether I'm deep into work or taking a much needed break, my new X1 ergonomic chair has been a game changer in both elevating my productivity and relaxation. And with its top tier ergonomic design, the HINOMI X1 offers incredible support that makes long hours at the desk so much more comfortable. And in this video, I'll walk you through the unboxing, assembly, and the features that have truly enhanced my work and downtime. And real quick, before we get started, if you get any value out of this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Helps me bring you more resources, and it keeps you up to date with all of the AI, web, and tech trends happening throughout the year. But either way, thank you so much for all your support. All right, with that being said, let's take a closer look at this chair. So before we dive into the unboxing and actually put the chair together, I want to point out that in this video, I'm using the large size chair. However, there are other sizes to accommodate your personal height. I'll also be using the black colored chair, but HINOMI has gray and pink colors to match your particular setup. Additionally, they offer free shipping and ship within 3 business days. There's also a 30-day return policy. If you decide it's not for you, you got 30 days to get your money back, and a 12-year warranty. So if you find this video helpful and you do decide that you'd like to purchase an X1, I would greatly appreciate it if you would use my affiliate link, blogwithben.com/HINOMI, located in the video description below. And as always, thank you so much for all your support. Okay, on that note, let's unbox this chair and see what it can do. So as you saw in the intro, I was in desperate need of a new office chair, so I want to thank HINOMI for sending me this X1. It couldn't have come at a better time. And as more people continue to work remotely, having a proper ergonomic setup has become more important than ever. And unlike a traditional office where ergonomic furniture is often standard, many home setups are not designed with long-term comfort in mind. And out of the box, the X1 literally has 6 pieces to it, including the directions and tools. And I should point out that the steps to assemble the X1 are listed here, but you can also access them by scanning this QR code. And as I said, the tools and spare parts that you'll need to put the chair together come in this box. It's literally a few screws in this handheld tool, and then they even include some protective gloves if you need to keep your hands covered while putting the chair together. And speaking of that, the steps to assemble the chair are super simple. I always stress about this part because it's hit or miss, but the X1 really is a cinch. Starting with the base, you simply attach the wheels to the base one by one like so. And they're marked as A and B on the instructions. Next, look for the gas lift cylinder, marked as C on the instructions. It'll look like this out of the box, and all you'll do is insert the larger portion into the base like so. Next, it's time to piece together the chair body, which is only 2 pieces, the backrest, and the seat, marked as E and F on the instructions, and they'll look like this. And all you'll do is attach them together using the screws marked as G on the instructions. And let me flip this on the other side so you can see where to insert the screws. And it will only take 3 screws. And for the sake of the example, let me show you how it will attach. So you'll simply slide the backrest onto the chair seat so that the screw holes line up. You'll then insert the screws and screw them in using the hand tool provided. Again, the screws are marked as G on the instructions and look like this. And then you'll screw them in with the hand tool that looks like this. Okay, so let me attach the backrest to the chair seat again. And be sure to line up the screw holes, and there will be 3 of them. You'll then insert the screws and screw them in like so. And make sure that they are tightly screwed in too. Okay, next it's time to attach the headrest to the backrest. And the screws for this are actually already screwed into the backrest, located here. You will need to unscrew them using the hand tool like so, just FYI. Next, let me grab the headrest real quick, and it'll be marked as D in the instructions. And you'll line up the 3 holes located here. and then reinsert those screws that we just took out. And you'll need to slide it into place. It took me a couple tries to get it, but be sure to line those holes up and then screw them back in with the hand tool. And I forgot to mention that these particular screws are marked as H within the instructions. Also, there will be a cover plate and extra screw attached to the headrest in a little plastic baggie. It'll look like this. And all you'll do is snap it over those screws to give the backrest a more aesthetic look. Okay, the last thing to do is to place the chair on the wheelbase. You'll need to line up the hole on the bottom of the seat so that it fits on the gas lift cylinder. But once it's attached, the chair is officially assembled and you can begin configuring the ergonomic settings. All right, let's start with the Transformers-like 6D armrests, and they refer to them as Transformers due to their flexibility. First, there's the depth adjustment. You can adjust the armrest forwards and backwards, and adjusting the depth of the armrest gives you multiple options as to where you rest your arms when using the chair. Next is the height adjustment feature, and by pressing this button, you can easily adjust the height of the armrest, allowing you to align it perfectly with your desk for optimal comfort. Then there is the tilt lock, and if you press this button, depending on if it's locked or not will determine where you press it, but pressing this button unlocks the armrest and gives you the ability to tilt it and lock it in place. I didn't lock it in place here, but you can lock it in a tilted position by pressing that button again when it's in a tilted position. And as you can see here, I pressed that button and locked it in a straight position, but either way, that's the tilt lock feature. Next is the 270-degree rotation and width adjustment. The armrests can be effortlessly repositioned to accommodate different widths, providing multiple options for resting your arms while typing, reading, or relaxing. They're incredibly versatile and adaptable to your needs. Moving on to the headrest, which might not look like much, but I was extremely impressed with how comfortable and adjustable this was. First, it has a 45-degree surface rotation that you can adjust here. Next, there is a 10-centimeter bracket height and rotation that you can adjust like so. It took a little oomph to move, but this is how you can adjust that bracket. Then there's also 2.4 inches of up and down movement of the headrest, giving you the ability to align it perfectly with your head and neck. Okay, next let's check out the 4-panel back support. This distinctive 4-panel backrest design offers support for both upper and lower back. And you can adjust the backrest height and lumbar support tension here by lifting this panel up. This gives you the ability to customize the lumbar support tension to bring tailored comfort. Then on each side of the chair are additional comfort levers. Starting on the right-hand side, you have 2 levers giving you the ability to move the chair up and down 3.5 inches, and you can adjust the seat depth by 2.5 inches. And we'll go over the recline lever in just a sec, which is on the other side of the seat. But I also want to point out that the base isn't a flimsy plastic. It's a sturdy aluminum wheelbase and frame, giving you a premium feel while ensuring stability. All right, now on to my favorite feature, the extended leg rest. It's conveniently tucked away beneath the chair, but just simply pull it out, unfold it, and you're ready to stretch out and relax. Then let's not forget the 135-degree recline feature. Simply press the other lever located on the left-hand side of the seat, and you can get maximum comfort by reclining and kicking your feet up at the same time. It doesn't get much better than this. And I'm 6'5", 190 pounds, and fit comfortably on this chair, which is a size large, by the way. However, I also had my beautiful wife test it out, and at 5 foot, 120 pounds, she also fit comfortably on a large size X1. Just wanted to point that out. So with that being said, I truly can't say enough great things about this chair. I have genuinely found my chair for life, and I don't see myself needing a new office chair anytime soon. So if you're interested in picking one up for yourself, I would greatly appreciate it if you would use my affiliate link at blogwithben.com/Hinomi, which is located in the video description below. But by using that link, you'll be supporting the channel at no extra cost to you, and you'll get this amazing ergonomic chair. Alright, I truly hope you found this review helpful, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or thoughts on the HINOMI X1. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these 2 videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.